Well, we are watching for another round of snow to work its way on through. This one is going to drive a lot of its moisture out of the Gulf as it spins its way straight north pretty much. And on the side that we are watching for potentially a couple of inches, anywhere from around 2 to 4 by the time we get through Tuesday. And much heavier totals the further west and east and south that you look with this. Now, we definitely had a cool, cold morning here on -9 degrees, -8 in Aberdeen, and Watertown at -3 degrees, and we did not warm very much today, only into those low to mid-teens, Watertown being the high point at 15 degrees. High, thin clouds continue to work their way on through. That's at least going to help to encapsulate some of the heat in our environment tonight, but this is clouds ahead of our next system that's well down to our south. And what we're going to watch is that mess that's down over Texas and over Oklahoma, Arkansas, and even into Missouri is going to begin to lift north. And as it does, it's going to cool and start turning to snow as we start to plan ahead. And you'll notice across our region, there's a couple of bands that do want to work on through. That is going to give us a couple of inches of new accumulations when all is said and done with this. So can I give you an idea of what to expect? Let me just step back one quick slide here so I can show you exactly what you can expect with this. This system is going to begin to lift out of the south, and then onto the second half of Monday, specifically around 6 p.m. is when we're expected to see these bands of snow work through our region, continuing to stick around through Tuesday as well. Now, there is an isolated chance that we could see around 6 inches with this, as if it does deviate just a little bit to the west. But for the most part, we are watching about 2 to 4 inches across the whole, and specifically down to the south and east, that ramps up very, very quickly. Some places in central Minnesota could see nearly a foot when this is all said and done. Winds are also going to be switching around things to that low pressure system and increasing out of the northeast at about 10 to 15 miles an hour before finally coming out of the north, and that is going to be a factor once we figure that there's snow on the ground, and blowing snow could definitely prompt reduced visibilities thanks to that. Alright, snow over these next couple of days, and definitely much cooler temperatures on the horizon, with several days of only or seeing single digits for lows once again.